Hello children, I hope you are all safe at home and you are enjoying your whole day with your parents and your brothers or sisters. But what your parents what your parents asking, take book and study for some time. No. So today we let us have fun with EVS. Before going to the topic, let us recall what we learned previously. What is a family? A family consists of father, mother and their children. So, parents and children makes up a family. And what is a joint family? A joint family consists of grandparents, parents, uncles, aunts and their children makes up a joint family. If you belongs to a small family, you have a brother or a sister. Those two are called siblings. Those two are called siblings. Who are siblings? The children who belong to the same parents are called siblings. Okay, now clear? Who are siblings? The children who born to the same parents are siblings. You and your brother born to your parents. So you both are siblings. As that way, if you belongs to a joint family, you have cousins. You might have cousins. Who are cousins? First of all, our parents siblings are our uncles and aunts. Our parents siblings are our uncles and aunts. Their children are our cousins. Our parents siblings are our aunts and uncles and their children are our cousins. Now clear? Most of the children similar to their parents and your parents also similar to their parents. What are the similarities? Similarities are sometimes we act as our parents or grandparents. For example, we walk like our grandparent or we laugh like our father and we sleeps like our mother and we get some same features, same things like eyes, color. So these are the similarities we get from our family members. As this way, in your in friends' families, you can find that your friends also looks like their parents. Why it happens? Why they look like that? Because we get some features from our father or some features from our mother. Okay. What are features? Features means look or action of a person. The feature help us to know whether the person is similar or not. So your brother may get some features from your grandparents or parents or from your uncles or aunts. Sometimes you and your cousins may get same features from your grandparents. These are the similarities and features. And now in the case of twins, who are twins? Twins are the children who born to the same mother at almost same time are called twins. These twins are almost looks same, but some twins might not be same. This is all about this concept, and in this we learned about siblings and cousins, twins, features, so you have to learn these words and once remind.